you should see Microsoft PowerPoint right now. In a little while, you'll be able to see my charts. I spoke with Agora, and unfortunately, due to federal regulations, I'm not going to be able to take live questions. So if it has to do with the markets or anything like that, I'm not going to be able to answer them. On our next call, I will have some time where you can send in questions, and we'll deal with those so we can get those questions answered. Also, I would ask again, if you're just coming on the teleconference line, there was a mistake with the teleconference access code. So right now, everyone is on the line as a presenter, which may pose a little bit of a problem. So please hold your questions, and if you can, resist the urge to chime in if you have to. That'll make this thing go a lot smoother and help everyone to understand what's going on. I'm going to take just a second to grab a sip of water, and we're just going to jump right in. It looks like we've got most of the people on the line. We've got over 300 people that have registered and are on the web conference right now. Okay, I wanted to title this presentation "How to Get World-Class Trading Powers in 32 Seconds," just because I thought it was sort of snazzy, and I thought that might be a little bit misleading. But we are going to talk about how best to use the membership website. I'm going to give you a little bit of an introduction to me, information that wasn't necessarily in the letter that most of you saw. And we're going to be going over some of the opportunities that I see in the Forex right now, a couple of details having to do with the MetaTrader program. Unfortunately, one of the things that we have to deal with MetaTrader is that I don't control it. So I've got a way to get you technical support and your questions answered with the updated version, so we'll be dealing with those MetaTrader issues. And then I'm going to walk you through exactly what I do in 20 minutes to get ready for the market. And hopefully by the end of this presentation, you're going to have a better understanding of how to use the membership website. You're going to have a better understanding of then how to use the membership website to duplicate these world-class trading powers that I'm talking about. And I'm also going to give you a couple of very advanced, although simple, learning technology tips for actually going through the course. You see, a big part of the course is that you're going to be able to see exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to give you the game plan that I have every single day that I'm trading for the markets. But my personal goal is to really get you retired. Now, here's what that means. In my mind, somebody who's retired is completely independent. They're not dependent on a boss. They're not dependent on a business. They're not even dependent on their own decisions with their money, because that's all been taken care of. Okay? So what does it mean to be retired in the market? That's what we're going to also hopefully have answered for you by the end of this presentation. There we go. So, and again, if you're coming into the teleconference portion of this late, you really are going to need to be watching, or actually I should say this web conference. If you're getting into this web conference a little bit